I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living." Now, I'm sure in your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Make sure you got something to fall back on, honey. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit. Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. Hard work works. Working really hard is what successful people do. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams.
Send 5,000 feet 1016, you're clear to approach 279. Okay, 5,016, Switch 61 Delta, reduce speed 160 to relay to tower on 11925, over. 160 to tower, 119.25, bye bye. On reste à la route, ok. Climate 108 and left heading north. Left to the north, Planet 108. 45 Alpha, speed back to 20. Speed back to 20, scanner 45. Runway 10, 8 5,000 feet, 1016. Okay, this is 5,000 feet, 1016, runway 108. Français 143, descendez niveau 7.